Hello my dear students, in this video I am going to show you how to make a GIF from video. So let's get started. I already added a sample video in timeline and this video has two funny moments. Let's play this clip.
Go!
This is the first one
Up here,
and
up here.
this is the second one.
Poor Daisy.
This time I make a GIF of this second funny video. That's why I just split it here and delete the first funny video. Alright. To make a GIF, simply click on export and then click on GIF format and then I type file name sample GIF and save my location. I set it in desktop and as a setting I choose the resolution 720 by 480 and frame rate I select 12 fps. Now I click on OK. Here you see our GIF size will be around 2.8 MB and duration 14 seconds. Now I hit on export. Our GIF is just creating. Wait for a moment. Yes, we are done. Now click on find target. Now I just simply double click on this to play. And here it is. So in this easy way, we can easily create GIF from video. Thank you so much for watching.